In what order to apply your products? I've been asking you guys on Instagram and Facebook. Give me questions so I can film YouTube videos here. If you're following me, you know I have my skincare organic line, and I have 4 serums which people love it so much. Natural, organic, plant-based, amazing, incredible ingredients, hydrating, moisturizing, brightening your skin, is anti-aging, plumping your skin, helps with hyperpigmentation, with fine lines, with wrinkles, with the dark spots. Anyway, so you asked me which order to use it. Guys, the rule is super simple. The most liquidy always gonna go first. So if you don't know, or with any kind of other product, serums, not only my products, you pump on your palm over here and then put all the serums and see which one is gonna go like down like this that I just did. So you see hyaluronic is pretty thick, then retinol is pretty thick, peptide and vitamin C. Vitamin C goes down immediately, so I'm gonna apply vitamin C product on my skin immediately. Then I see peptide is kind of sliding down the fastest. Then I'm gonna apply peptide, and then retinol and hyaluronic. You always want to apply the most watery product on your skin. But the good thing, guys, that you can apply all of those serums, mix and match. Completely safe, completely safe. It's okay. Look, I'm gonna do right now over here. Retinol, I don't know if you're gonna see retinol, 2 pumps, hyaluronic. I already applied vitamin C and peptides. You can mix and match all my serums, and there's a bundle for serums if you wanna save extra money when you buy them all together in one set, and plus you get free shipping. That's it guys. Remember, watery formula always goes first. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next video. Bye.